Hello everyone, just a really quick update, literally quick because I've got somebody picking up the bike and he's just phoned me up that he's on his way. This is the new addition to the collection. I bought it mainly to use the shell because that was supposed to be without the documents and everything. It turned out that it can be rescued, so it would be a shame to kill it. It's a 1972 and it was missing an engine in the front beam, both of which I've got now. Because at the minute it's only sitting on that. So we'll need to sort that out. There's no interior, but the plan was just to put my interior into this. So with my Beetles being welded, I can drive this one. This is solid. Everything's there. There's a nice set of wheels with it as well. I'm going to do quite a few videos shortly covering the Beetle. We need to fit the beam on it to take it off the trailer, and I need to find a place for the trailer as well. I went to borrow it, I ended up buying it, so we need to house it somewhere. There's going to be quite a few videos on the Beetle. We're going to see what's happening with this engine, because it has been sitting for ages. And the bad news is the plugs are out, so I don't know, we'll see. We've got some parts for the Beetle from Just Campers. I've ordered some parts for the beam, and there's some other things that you're going to see shortly as well. In the meantime, we've had a bit of a leak, that's why it's more of a mess than usual. Nothing major, just all the computers, 2 welders, plasma cutter and 3M helmet. I think that's the list of damage. I'll explain in a bit more detail in the next video. So keep an eye for updates. I'll get you updated on this one shortly.